Hi everyone, this is Bharti and welcome to day 9 of the Pranayama Challenge. Hope you have been feeling stronger with your breath work with each passing day. Once you are ready, let's gently hop onto the mat and get going. Let us start by coming into an easy cross-legged sitting position. Ground your sit bones into your cushion or yoga mat. Straighten the spine and roll the shoulders back. Bring the hands in chin mudra on the knees and gently close your eyes. Let's bring our attention to our normal flow of breath. Observing our breath as we inhale and exhale. Let us start the practice by repeating the following affirmation 3 times in our mind. My potential to succeed is limitless. Let's repeat this 3 times in our mind. We'll start the practice with an Om chant. Take a deep breath in. And gently open your eyes. We'll start the practice with some yogic breathing. So you can choose to keep your hands either on your knees or place one hand on the abdomen and the other on the chest. And let's start by taking a deep breath in and out. With the next inhalation, feel your belly expanding out, followed by the chest and the collarbones. As you exhale, soften the collarbones, followed by the chest and the belly. Again, inhale deeply, expanding the belly, followed by the chest and the collarbones. Exhale slowly, the collarbones come down, followed by the chest and the belly. Keep going on. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. One last time. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Bring the hands down and take a couple of normal breaths. Today we are going to do 5 rounds of Bhastrika Pranayama with 10 pumps in each round. So let's bring our hands on either sides of the head. Take a breath in and out. And let's start. And relax. Bring the hands down and take a couple of normal breaths. Let's start round 2. Bring the hands up. Take a breath in and out. And let's start. And relax. And let's start round 3. Bring the hands up. Take a breath in and out to prepare. And relax. Let's bring the hands up for round 4. Take a breath in and out. And let's start. And relax, bringing the hands down. Bhastrika is a warming pranayama and is great for igniting our inner digestive fire. So you should already be feeling quite warm inside. Let's start the last round. Bring the hands up. Take a breath in and out. And let's start. And relax, bringing the hands down. While doing all the pranayams, try to keep your facial muscles completely relaxed. We are going to follow this with Chandra Bhedi Pranayama for cooling down. So bring the right hand in Vishnu Mudra and close the right nostril with the right thumb. In Chandra Bhedi, as you know, we always inhale from the left side and exhale from the right. So take a breath in and out through the left nostril. And let's inhale from left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale left, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep going on for 3 more rounds. Last round. Slowly bring the right hand down and relax. Next, we are going to do Anulom Vilom Pranayama, and we are going to continue keeping 1:1:1 ratio and increase the count to 6 today. So bring the right hand in Vishnu Mudra, closing the right nostril. Take a breath in and out from the left nostril. Inhale left, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale right, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale right, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale left, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep going on. Last round. Slowly bring the right hand down and take a couple of normal breaths. We are going to end the practice with 5 rounds of Bhramari Pranayama. Bring the hands on either sides of the ears. Close the ears with the thumbs and gently place the fingers over the eyelids. And let's start. Take a deep breath in. Slowly bring the hands down, keeping your eyes closed. We'll end the practice with 3 Om chants. Take a deep breath in. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Slowly bring your hands to heart center and let's start rubbing the palms to create heat in the palms. Gently place the palms over the eyelids and feel the healing heat of the palms through the eyelids. Slowly bring the hands down and open your eyes. So hope you enjoyed today's practice. I'll see you tomorrow. Till then, take care and bye-bye.